Hey friends, welcome to the Sugar Treatment. Over the next 3 minutes, we will find peace and stillness that will allow us to move through our day with intention and grace. Feel free to watch this delicious s'mores skillet bake or gently close your eyes, whatever feels good for you. To start, find a comfortable position. If you're standing, make sure your feet are right under your hips, giving you good support. If you're sitting, connect your sits bone to your chair and sit up nice and tall. Lengthen your spine and lift your crown to the sky. Let your hands hang or sit in your lap. Take a moment to notice your breath. Don't change it just yet. Connect to what it feels like when the breath enters your nose or mouth and how your chest and belly move up and down, the way the warm air leaves your mouth as you exhale. As you continue to breathe, bring to mind a word or phrase that can be your guide for the rest of the day. If nothing comes to mind, I offer you kindness. This is oftentimes my mantra when I'm having a tough day. Just be kind. It's simple, and yet somehow everything else just comes together when I can focus on kindness. Whatever you choose, I want you to imagine what this word or phrase sounds like, what it looks like written down, how your mom would say it. Position this word or phrase at the center of all your thoughts just for the next few moments. Now, let's breathe together and focus on absorbing the power of your intention. Push all the air out of your lungs and belly and breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and out your mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, just be kind. In for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and out for 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. In for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice how your breath changes your body and your mind, how your intention becomes a part of you. Begin to come back to your space. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently open your eyes if you've decided to close them. Bring your hands together at heart center and bow your head forward. As you move through your day, may you move with peace, stillness, and intention. Keep it sweet, babes.